Hey Arena 7, here are your weekly updates for the 10th through the 14th of June. We are rapidly closing in on the end of the year. So here's your second to last joke. I am terrified of elevators. I am going to start taking steps to avoid them. Okay, so there are 11 days of school left if we are including Regents Week. And there are only 6 days of school left without Regents. So that's this coming week plus Monday of next week, and we're going to have a barbecue on Monday of next week. If you're working at the rate of 4 tasks per day, you should expect to get 0.3 credits by the end of the school year. It's pretty easy to calculate how many tasks you need to do per day. And we can talk about what that looks like if you're trying to get something specific done by the end of the year. So far in June, we've earned 3.5 credits, so that's just in the first week, which is pretty good. And then we have 14.5 credits, which are on the edge, so that's 70% or more complete. Manuel has 1 task for good and evil. Rochelle has 10 tasks. Jonathan has 7 for global, and presentation maybe tomorrow. Yuritsa 5 group tasks, 12 in US. Ryan has 4 group tasks total left. Christy has 3 group tasks total left. Yuritsa has another 6 for PE. Daniel is in this group, and he was not last week, so he has 8 more tasks for statistics. Ida Manny is close to 2. Mario is close to 2. And Jayla is very, very close to earning her PGC credit. Quick reminder on school policy. In looking over where students are in courses, there are a lot of people with classes where work has not been graded in the last week. It's very, very important that in this last week you get that cleared up as soon as possible, because if you're trying to graduate by the end of the year, or if you're just trying to get a credit by the end of the year, there's not a lot of time to fix this. So just please make sure that you're emailing teacher who is responsible, as well as talking to me and Manisha. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Cool. Nothing super crazy this week. It's pretty standard. We have group on Monday. This will be the second to last group of the year. Homework club 2:30 to 3:30 on Monday and Wednesday. Earth Science Practical will be on Thursday if you're planning on taking your Science Regents. And PGC Field Day is on Friday. So yeah, it's a pretty straightforward week, 5 days in a row. Quick reminder on Regents setting expectations. I've said this a couple of times, but we want you to be prepared to use your time wisely when you take the Regents. That doesn't mean you're coming in to fail. It means you're coming in to succeed. To do that, we need to know what you know. So we expect you to take a mock Regents in the subject area and complete a course in that subject area. Again, we have a lot of indicators that show that those are good ideas for students to be able to actually pass the Regents. I'm not going to program you officially for the test unless those things are done. If you have questions about what you need to do that, please talk to me as soon as possible. Here's just a quick Regents overview for everyone. So we already had the new framework global geography tests. And then during Regents Week, we really only have four days with our Regents. So that's, those are the times and places. And this is the current list. Anybody who's in green is on the list tentatively to be able to sit for those Regents. If a Regents that you're interested in sitting for is not highlighted in green, it means you either haven't finished a course in that subject area or haven't finished a mock Regents. So please let me know ASAP if you think that one of those is an error or if you need help getting ready for those tests. Cool. Post-lunch plans this week. We have 4 full days, so we're going to do end-of-the-year meetings on Monday. I have a lot of people who I still need to get through. I am working on building curriculum with an outside organization. I was going to try some stuff this week. We're going to do a discussion kind of in the same format that we've done previously about something called the School to Prison Pipeline, if you haven't heard of it. this will be a good opportunity to get into it. Basically on Tuesday we're going to be doing some prep work. I'll be handing out kind of documents and stuff to look at, and then we're going to have a larger discussion on Friday about that. And then math lab on Wednesday and Thursday. Cool, that's all you need to know. Let me know if you have questions. Good luck, Green 7.